Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have quite a few job leads in today's video to share with you. We have some customer service jobs. I have been seeing in the comments some people want customer service. Some of these customer service jobs even pay like $54,000 a year, so decently paying if you have those skills. We have stuff from AT&T. We have Airbnb hiring literally $74 or more an hour. No college degree is needed. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But first up, we have Farmers Insurance Group. They have over 6,000 reviews, or right at 6,000 reviews, on Glassdoor from current and past employees. They do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer care representative. Now, they're looking for somebody to help deliver peace of mind to their customers whenever and wherever they need them. So you're basically going to be consulting with internal and external customers relating to all of their insurance needs, eligibility, and solutions, and providing them with that positive customer experience. You're going to learn the company's products and services and use your in-depth knowledge of those while working across multiple lines of insurance. So you're going to be resolving customer and agent inquiries and solving problems related to policies. So you're going to go throughout the insurance life cycle. So coverage, renewals, cancellations, pricing, other general service related requests. You're going to help with all of it. You will have to utilize multiple computer systems and platforms to conduct research, identify processes, review prior transactions, and make decisions to help make recommendations for the customers and their accounts. You'll act as an advocate to the business to identify new coverage opportunities, retaining customers, and recommending Farmers Insurance to others. Now, as far as what this is requiring, a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. Of course, they prefer a college degree, but it's not required. In fact, none of these positions that I am sharing here today require a college degree. They do want you to have a personal line of property or casual license. It may be required. If it is required, the license exam can be obtained within a designated number of attempts. So it looks like they may help you get that licensure if you need it. Now, as far as pay goes, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but goes anywhere from $16.15 an hour all the way up to $28.19 an hour. Next up, we have the phone company AT&T hiring a customer service and sales representative. This is a remote work from home job. They do have state restrictions though. They are specifically looking for somebody who resides in Colorado, Iowa, Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, Nebraska, New Mexico, Nevada, Oregon, Utah, and Wyoming. But if you live in one of those states and are interested in a customer service position, they're offering a $3,000 sign-on bonus. Now, they give you $500 up front after 30 days of employment. You get $1,000 if you stay for 6 months, and the other $1,500 after 12 months. Now, pay is anywhere from $16.31 an hour all the way up to $19.31 an hour. And they do offer that standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. And if you get AT&T mobile plans or internet plans, they do have 50% off as your employee discount. So if this still sounds like something you're interested in, they're looking for somebody to address a broad range of customer issues, including collections, retentions, sales, billing adjustments, and technical support. So you will kind of be doing it all. You're going to instill the confidence and loyalty in the customers by thoughtfully listening to them, utilizing your knowledge of AT&T's products and services, and effectively retaining the customers, giving them just the service that they need. You're going to simplify the explanation of their bills, rate plans, and features to language that they can understand. You'll help support them with e-services, revenue, fraud, billing, collections, technical issues, just all of that. So this is going to be even for like home internet services with the LAN and things like that. You're going to help them not only with cell service, but home service as well. Now they do outline their hiring process. You are going to complete the application and submit it, and you'll get emails for regular follow-ups. They'll have an exam you have to pass, and you'll pass the assessment. And then if you pass the assessment, you will get an interview. But moving right along, Airbnb is paying a lot of money for a job that does not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for a manager of their content and knowledge product operations. Now, this is remote for Canada or the United States, but they're looking for somebody to join their content and knowledge team, being a part of the community support platform, looking for someone who with deep subject matter in applying content and knowledge strategies and operations to help transform digital support experiences. You will be utilizing AI tools to streamline content production process, optimizing knowledge bases for top performing leveraging of language models. So you're going to lead a team. You are the manager, including writers and knowledge editors, fostering a culture of creativity, belonging, collaboration, and innovation. You're going to work with different teams like the product marketing team and legal team, helping to create, write, and orchestrate great content for company-wide releases. You're going to partner effectively with the information retrieval and model development teams, leveraging AI to help create and deliver this content. So you are basically managing the team that does all of their content creation. In today's world that we live in, where everything is digital, every business has like social media pages. They have ads running on YouTube. They have TikToks, all of this. And so content has to be created. That is just the world that we live in. No more are there newspapers and like a lot of magazines and stuff. So you are basically going to help establish all the processes and mechanisms for planning, creating, delivering, and governing all of this high quality content that Airbnb is putting out. Best part about this job is no college degree is needed. If you have the skills and experience they're looking for, they want you. They're looking for somebody who has 10 years experience in content or knowledge management or some kind of related field with 4 years experience in some kind of a supervisory or team lead role, leading a team of content authors or technical writers, or you have a track record of successfully providing coaching or feedback or professional development to people. So that's why I say, like, if you've got experience being a team lead, a supervisor in some kind of capacity, they do want somebody who is like a tech person, somebody who's experienced with AI solutions and tools. And of course, you've got to have experience working with global organizations because Airbnb is worldwide. Now, of course, they're paying very well for this position. It pays anywhere from $155,000 a year all the way up to $195,000 a year. Now, $155,000 a year would break down to $74 an hour. If content creation or management is not your style, the company Resident, they have 91 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a customer feedback specialist. Now, this is going to be remote, work from home, but they're specifically looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday through Friday. This is going to be for the United States only, but if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Pay is $18.70 an hour. But they're looking for somebody to provide customer service to their customers based on submitted feedback through multiple feedback channels. You'll perform daily outreach to these dissatisfied customers through outbound phone calls or emails to address their concerns. So these customers have not been happy with something and they've submitted basically feedback via an online form, an email, or something. You are going to take those feedbacks or be reaching out to these customers. So it sounds like this is going to be outbound phone calls. And you're going to be trying to help these customers resolving their issues. So these are already customers that are going to be dissatisfied. So you've got to be someone who can kind of change the situation, and help people see the other side of things. So you'll work with these dissatisfied customers, quickly resolving them, responding to any of their reviews or surveys with a focus on transforming any negative experience they have and building a positive one with them. You're going to be the person responsible for repairing the relationship with the customer and helping take ownership on the customer's supports. So you're going to either keep them up to date through phone calls or email. You will have to handle a high volume of these. It says you'll have tools and resources available to you like G Suite, Five9, Slack, different tools like that. You will be required to attend weekly training meetings with your team. Now, all they're requiring for this position is 2 years of customer support experience, someone who has great written and spoken English, someone who is comfortable diffusing those negative situations. You've got to be highly detail oriented and able to troubleshoot or be a problem solver. Next up, we have the company Mural. Now, Mural has 196 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with a 3.2 out of 5-star rating. They are also hiring a customer support representative. Again, this one is going to be remote for the United States. But the company Mural is a leading innovator in visual collaboration for hybrid, remote, and distributed teams. So they have teams that work in the office and teams that work remote. They are looking for somebody to assist all of their different teams about their apps and their subscriptions to those applications. So your responsibilities are basically going to be managing and responding to those customer requests. You're going to understand the customers and become their advocate. You'll do this through email, chat, phone call, and occasionally a video call like Zoom or something like that. You'll assist the customer experience team with managing accounts as needed, collaborating also with the product team to help improve the product's features and requests as necessary. They are looking for somebody specifically to work 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time with a 1-hour break in between there. So if you're outside of that time zone, you will have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But again, no college degree is needed. They want somebody who can speak and write in English very well, someone who has a passion for customer service and helping the customer, someone who can be a problem solver, and somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of software customer support. Now their pay is written very, very tiny, but pay is anywhere from $43,300 a year all the way up to $54,100 a year. They also offer a standard benefit package. All right, I know when I do these longer videos, I can get long-winded. So if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, if you have anything specific that you're looking for, leave that down in the comments below. I do read those and keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.